Okay guys, so this is day 3 of building a PC. And basically, we got the entire thing running. As you can see, except the, so the entire thing is running. We don't have an SSD yet, so it's not running properly. But it boots up in, what's that screen called? It boots up at the BIOS screen. Let me see if I can turn it on and show you guys.
On this,
It's waiting for an SSD to be applied. So we'll check back with you on a little bit. They're missing parts, so we're coming to Best Buy to buy them. Well, hopefully we can actually find them. Okay, we're heading to the PC section. Let's try to find a SSD. That's what we need, right?
Are you still recording?
Yes, dang, look at that PC. Okay, can we just rip the oh, here we go.
Oh, that one's quite expensive. Oh, that one's really expensive.
That one's really expensive. Yeah, what's that? That one's 69 bucks.
This one.
There's one for 64 as well.
Wait, this is just open?
Yo, do we have to get some? Yeah, there's more RAM sticks. Oh, yo, it's my RAM right there. It's my RAM.
That's my RAM.
Okay, well, that's my RAM now.
No, it's not.
Okay. After coming back from Best Buy, we spent $300 later on, we bought this Gen 4 228 M2 SSD for 1 terabyte for like 70 bucks. We bought this BE650 Wi-Fi USB adapter for like 70 bucks as well. And then we bought Windows 11 Home for 150. So yeah, cut to when I put this into my PC. Okay, so the first thing we've got to install is this SSD. So I'm gonna figure out how to do this. Just give me a second. After a tedious process, I think I finally got it in, if that's how it's supposed to go. I think I finally got it in, but we'll see if that works. But now next I need to put, well, first I want to see if it even works, if it turns on. And I'll do Windows 11 in a little bit. All switched up now. I got everything connected. I got the thing, power here, and I got my keyboard and mouse there. So moment of truth. Does this work? Let's go. There you go, boys. It's running. It's running swell. Okay, next thing we gotta do now is hook up HDMI to this TV and get Windows 11 and everything sorted out. We switched it on and powered it all up. We got this screen right here. We got network stack. I don't know what that means, but we got that. We got a whole bunch of stuff here. I don't know what I do next though, so we're just gonna wing it. I mean, we're gonna plug in the Windows to this USB right here, just to see what happens. So update you on in a minute. So guys, we got Windows 11 installed. I think that's the boot up screen, and yes, we are in. So just take me a minute and let me set up all this stuff, and then we'll get into the details. After years and years of me messing with this thing, I finally got Windows 11 to work. Let's just zoom out so I can see I got the entire Windows 11 working. I got my entire PC working. Okay, finished result. PC's good. It's running great. I have Fortnite loaded up here. We're getting crazy. It's working amazing. I put some LEDs in here. I attached this to that so everything works. I decided just to use Ethernet because this Wi-Fi block, this thing, was just not working too well. So I'm just gonna use Ethernet. It's working perfectly on Ethernet. So yeah, everything's running well. That's connected up everything. I might change to a wireless keyboard and mouse maybe later on. But yeah, PC build is complete. Thank you guys so much for watching this series, and I'll see you guys in the next video.